Guys, NFP was what we needed. And in this video, we're going to be discussing indices, gold, the dollar, which is, oh my gosh, the dollar. We got so much to talk about in this video, so let's go ahead and jump in. I'm going to go ahead and throw it out there. I think that this breakout on the dollar is actually real. And what I mean by real is that we've seen several attempts by the dollar here recently to try and get going, but then each time is met with, resistance that comes in pretty quick. Again, you can see all these different times where there was an attempt from buyers to get going, and each time sellers took back control, and we've just trended lower and lower and lower. That is until today. Let's talk about the heavy ammunition that NFP delivered for dollar bulls. And here it is, guys. The latest figures are in, and if we zoom in over here, you'll see something very important. Okay, do you see that red dot? That far right red dot? And then look at the ginormous blue-bodied graph chart bar thing, just completely engulfing it. This is like a fundamental analysis version of a engulfing candle. We see a ginormous actual number came out for jobs relative to forecasts. Guys, we were forecasting 147,000 jobs to be added in the US economy. We got 254,000. That right there is labor market resiliency, and it is why I do believe that the dollar index might be set to continue finding its low and now actually starting to potentially trend sideways or up from here. And as if the added jobs were not impressive enough, unemployment rate, or the percentage of people claiming unemployment, actually went down. So not only is this labor market showing strength from the jobs added perspective, but more people are getting employed that want to be employed, which is just a strong contender for the labor market. So when we take a look at the price action response and we see dollar index breaking through this 102 level just with no problem, that tells me that we may have seen a low for the dollar. And again, this strength in the labor market doesn't just stop there. It also was preceded this week by stronger than expected services PMI numbers, which I'll show you. You can see we beat estimations on the services side of the economy. Job opening statistics, or the JOLTS job openings numbers, were also better than expected as seen in this chart. Unemployment claims this week were not threatening, and ADP numbers were also better than expected. ADP, of course, is the private payrolls kind of world. So we saw both in the, pretty much all the jobs data this week was great. And just another cup of tea moment is to think about the fact that people also got wage increases. This is also showing the strength that is in the labor market right now. And so when people start barking all over social media that, the doomsday content creators posting about how the world is going to fall into a deep, dark recession, where is it? These data points are strong. This week was optimistic for the state of the US economy. And so I would say for now, unless we get something that changes, I'm looking to be bullish on the dollar. I'm looking for pullbacks. I'm looking for opportunities against some of the weaker currencies that I see out there. Now we need to talk about the elephant in the room. Gold, which continues to go up even though the dollar is up today. Remember, this can be confusing to new traders who think, gold goes up when dollar down, and vice versa. They both can go up depending on what's happening in the world. And we have to remember that in the world, unfortunately, there is some scary stuff happening right now. We know that in the Middle East, there is ongoing conflicts there. There's, a situation that, of course, at any moment can spill over into catastrophic, sad loss of life. And that makes people worried. And gold is something that typically goes up on worries and down on confidence. So you'll actually see that on the 1 hour chart, we saw a big dip as these data points dropped from the labor market side of things because of that worry. But if you were watching the live stream, I mentioned specifically that I'm very neutral on gold because there is two sides to this story. There's the uncertainty in the Middle East and there's the confidence in the labor market. Those are conflicting things to the state of the gold market rally. Now, let me be the first to say, I am not bearish on gold, but I'm also not bullish, right? So I'm not placing a call on where I think this thing is going next. I just think that if it dips big enough and we see, some opportunities to get long, maybe there's something there, but I'm very kind of stuck in the middle. Where I'm not stuck in the middle is I am long already on the indices. In fact, today was a very good day in my trading account. In fact, I'll show you here. Here's my live broker login. So this is, a day where we're up, open P&L is about 14 grand right now, which is not too bad. Now, there's of course times where this is negative 14 grand, so please understand I'm not here to just show you I'm I'm not always winning, but these are some trades that I've got on currently. I'm long the NASDAQ, which is going well. I'm long the semiconductors ETF SMH. IWF is the Russell 1000 growth ETF. I've got some NVIDIA shares, and I've got Airbnb. I've also got several positions open on the option side of things. I've sold puts on a bunch of stuff, which is looking pretty good so far. And the option side has really been kicking it for me recently. Also, if you've made it this far in the video, I want to let you know about our 30% off sale that we're doing today to celebrate all this crazy NFP volatility and going into the fourth quarter, which is historically my best quarter of the year. It is one that, creates a lot of opportunities as you turn into the new year. There's some great trends that can develop. And I want to invite you to come join our Discord group for 30% off. There's a link in the description down below and a promo code there if you'd like to sign up. And if you have any questions, you can use the first link in the description down below to speak with a member of our team. If you do that before the end of the day and you chat with a member of our team, they're able to get you 35% off the Discord group. It is a one-time fee to join. They can give you all the information. They can give you examples if you want to pay with crypto, all that good stuff. Just chat with a member of our support team and they'll help you out. If you're looking for a better brokerage, then stick around for a second. I'm going to tell you how you can get some free sign-up perks with great brokerages all around the world. Whether you trade FX or indices, commodities, futures, all of the above, I'm going to show you a really cool way that you can get free sign-up perks with your new account. So if you're interested in switching into a different brokerage, you can get things like deposit bonuses or free stock shares, or you can even get access to some of our products for completely free. All you have to do to find out current perks being offered to new depositors is go to a1trading.com/brokers. That's a1trading.com/brokers. And as you look at that page, you'll see all these different offerings that we've currently locked down for you guys as subscribers, as viewers. Now, of course, we get something out of this. If you choose to use these links, you'll be supporting our page. But in return for the viewers, we've got great sign-up perks available for you guys so that you get some free game just by signing up for a brokerage if you're looking to do so. So check it out on our website. You can find current deals at a1trading.com/brokers. Thanks for watching this video, and on the screen right now you'll see some other options of other videos we put together that might be helpful to you in your trading career. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.